This is match number 2 for tonight. Teams in bracket B without a loss. So this will be the time wherein one of them, of course, will experience losing. Okay, the team in green is Barangay Bagakay. The team in white is Barangay Tinag. Right, so welcome back to Mag Sports Vlog. Now, this is a match between Barangay Tinago and Barangay Banilad. Teams without a loss yet in this inter-barangay tournament for women in Dumaguete. Okay, the first rally of the match, white long rally. Atake ng green, that was Teng. Atake ni Diesel and miscontrol. And first point goes to Barangay Tinago. 1 serving 0. Alright. Open attack. Nakuha ng green. Ibinigay sa opposite. Opposite attacks. Nakuha. Ibinigay sa middle. Yan, standing spike. Teng. Kaya din for Teng. Point for Teng. So ito yung import ng Barangay Banilad, si Patrocinio. Because in this tournament, this team are allowed to have 2 imports. Free ball, ibinigay sa middle. Hindi na control. So pumasok yung pangalawang import ng Bagakay. Binigyan kaagad ng attack. Yun, pumuntos kaagad. Okay, that's Teng. This is Teng, former player ng Siliman High School. Binigay sa open, tinusok lang. And a push. Want to play, nakuha ng libero. Binigay sa opposite. Decent attacks, nakuha. Sa middle. Nakuha pa rin. Ito taas ang rally. Hindi natin ang gagawin. Ibinigay sa middle again. Buhay pa. Wow. Ang taas ang rally. Ibinigay sa open kay Dicen. Wow. And ito. Hindi na-control ng libero. It's now 3 serving 2. The green team ahead by 1 point. Open. Minulog, nakuha. At ito, na diretso, nag-overset. Sa middle. Middle again. And napunto. Los Niños serving. Isa sa mga import ng Barangay Tinago. And varsity player ng Cosca na diretso. Over-receive. Change of lead. 4 serving 3. Service ace for De Los Niños. 5 serving 3. Received by the import. Nataw. May net violation. Net violation yung umatake. Number 17 of the green team. De Los Niños still serving. Binigay sa opposite. Pasok. Hindi na control. 4 serving 6. First and fourth error ng laro. The team captain, that's Dicen. Binigay sa opposite. Pasok. 5 serving 7. Pangalawang import ng Bagakay. At ayun, pangalawang unforced error in service. Pasok. Number 17. Pasok ang atake. 6 serving 8. So dito sa green team, mostly mga bata. Sa kabila, mga varsity at mga veterana. Ito, free ball. Yan, tingnan natin. Patrocinio. Nakuha. Ito. Si Abrasaldo. Former regional player. Abrasaldo again. Nakuha natin. Free ball.
Free ball.
Bigay sa open. There was a block.
High plywood.
Continuous play.
Good.
So, free ball.
Mahulog.
There was a block from Patrocinio.
Now serving number 70.
Isa na lang, it's 7 serving 8. Sleep, binigay sa open. Wow, this attack ni Atis. That's number 5.
Second up for Sando.
Saldo serving. Medyo lumaki.
Nakarating.
Ito, free ball. Tingnan natin.
Bala Usbe.
Set.
Usbe. Uy.
Ito, binigay sa middle. Yun.
Nice attack by number 13.
10 serving 7. Ganda ng reception. Binigay sa gitna. Ayun. Ito, free ball. There's a drop. 1 to play. Nakuha ng libero. It's good.
Libero. Uy. Good.
Iba talaga matangkad. I-replay natin yung anong nangyari. Tingnan natin. So, game interruption. Ang left, dagway sa na-action, gugkandong. So, resume ball game tayo. So, this is the beauty of this tournament kasi may medics, may ready sa mga emergency. So, kudos to the organizer of this tournament. Wow, kasi small game Patrocinio. Free ball. Oh, service ace pa. Just a 2-point lead. So, the green team is actually coached by my former player, Seta Nasiman. That's Chip Papillera. So, isa na lang. So, sa kabila naman is coached by Argel Dicen. He's the head coach of Don Bosco. Teng was blocked. 12 serving 10. Receive. Binigay sa middle. And another point for Patrocinio. Yan, so isa lang. Patrocinio is a former regional player sa high school with the Dumaguete team. Ito, tinan natin. Free ball for the white. Natin na ng play outs. One good play. Ganda na reception. It's open. Out. Okay, so quite a close scoring ball game. It's 12 serving 13 bigyan sa middle. Nakuha ni Teng. Bigay sa opposite. So balik lumipad ang ball. De Los Niños, one of the imports of Barangay Tinago from Sibulan. So, binigay ulit sa opposite. Sa middle. Nakuha. Abrasaldo. Good. Free ball for the white team. So, 3-point lead for the white team. That's 15 serving 12. Natin anong gagawin. Ibigay sa open. Dito sa opposite. Hindi pumasok. Lumalayo ang agwat. O ang bintahe. Ito. Ganda ng set. Block. Backward attack by Teng. Open kay Dicen.
Nice
Straight wow. Ikuha ni Teng sa middle. So, medyo mataas ang rally. At ball out daw. Ball out. Right, so the ball is awarded to the white team for a ball touch. Ito, free ball. Nag-outside. Ang ganda sana.
Score 18. At sa nila.
Okay, resume ball game after a timeout called by the green team. That's Barangay Bagakay. Ganda ng reception. It was open. What happened?
Crossing violation by number 17.
Court violation. Dalawang referee ang nag-whistle doon. Medyo lumayo na. 7-point lead. Sa gitna. So,
The second. Ball not over.
14 serving 19 after that missed attack by Abrasaldo. So balik ang lakas. Pangatlong
Score.
service error. Pasok. One to play by Abrasaldo. Open. Wow. Ito na libero. Nag-overshoot. Good ball. Good ball for the green team. Another attack. One to play ni Abrasaldo. Wow. Nakuha rin ang libero. Free ball for the green team. Inside. To the line judge. 15 serving 20. 5-point lead for the white team. Actually, that's the defending champion pala. Barangay Tinago is the defending champion of this tournament. Sonyo was blocked. Open. Ako ng libero. Basement spike. Open again. Just a push. Sa middle. Abrasaldo. Bako attack by Teng. Good.
Nice attack by
16 serving 20. Another unforced error ng green team. At ito. Service ace pa. 22 serving 16. Just a controlled spike. And inside for Abrasaldo. Side.
scores.
Coach. Unforced error sa atake ni Abrasaldo. It's 18 serving 23. So imagine nyo lang kung pumasok yung limang serve ng green. So hindi pa natin alam sana. Sinyo, tinulak. Oh, binigyan yung setter ng atake. It's 19-23. Oh, ang ganda reception ni Dicen. Atis, nakuha. Free ball for the white team. Tingnan natin ang gagawin. Anong play? Ito. Atis again. Pumasok. Oh, tumawag ng timeout ng Barangay Tinago. At sa ball check, ay, nakuha pa. Open. Ay, hindi na control. Set point for Barangay Tinago. Ibigay sa middle kay Patrocinio. Nakuha. Wow, good. Good save by Abrasaldo. Ibigay sa open. At inside daw, according to the line judge. Oh, kumakapit pa. It's 21 serving 24. Second chance set point for the white team. Yan natin. Ito, bigay sa open. Nilulog. Good. Nasig. Free ball. At walang tao. And end of the set. Alright, so start of set number 2. So this encounter between Barangay Tinago and Barangay Bagakay. Easy by Dicen. Binigay sa open. Dicen attacks. Outside block. 1 serving 0. First point of the second set goes to Barangay Tinago. Pero ayun, nag-outside ang kanyang serve. Deadlock at 1-all. Patrocinio serving. 4 hits violation.
4 hits.
2 serving 1. Kasi by the libero. Ulo, nakuha. 1 to play. Subalit wala nag-follow up. Dilos ninyo serving. Score natin ay 2-all. Binigay sa open. Subalit hindi pumasok. Ganda ng serve. Ay, hindi pumasok. 2-point lead. 4 serving 2. Yan, ganda reception. Binigay sa open. Ito nakuha. Sa middle. Ayan, nakuha. Open. Decent. Bang. Was opposed by Decent. 1 to play. Ito nakuha. Pushed by De Los Niños. Binigay sa opposite. Tinulak, hindi pumasok. Dribble for the white. Tingnan natin anong play ng white. Binigay sa open. Nakuha. Diniretso. At ayun, wala na. What happened? Let's play number 13. Okay, so okay lang daw siya. Number 13.
For his violation.
4 touches violation for the white team. Ganda ng serve. Wow! One hand, no?
Sa grupo.
We'll try to plan that. Ilagay natin sa reel. Good. Wow, nice save. Ganda ng save.
One in and score. Decent.
Oh,
Uy,
walang gustong kumuha.
Mayes.
Ganda ng receive. Sa gitna. Outside according to the line card. Our score is 5, serving 7, dalawa lang. Free ball. Sa gitna. Wow! Ganda atake ng number 14. Napasukan talaga yung blocker. So it's 6, serving 7, isa na lang. Atis. Wow, nakuha yung Teng. Ito, si Teng pa rin. Ball. Binigay sa gitna. Ito, tingnan natin. There's a drop. Setter. Atis. Wow! Ganda nito, medyo nagkalo. Oo, yung setter. Kumataw. Gitna. Ito pa. Wow, this can be the longest rally. Ay, bakit? Nakalo. Oh! Nag-double touch ang atake sa kabila. Right? That rally won by the white team. Pero ayun.
Score
Service fault.
7-8. Usari na mausap po na sunulo.
It's 9, serving 7. Underhand serve. Wow, Patrocinio. 1 point lead ng white team. It's 8, serving 9. At then, ibinigay sa open. Taas.
De Los Niños, ikaw na.
Niños. Pero ito na. Yung dalawang import. Nasa harapan. Ang tatangkad ng dalawang import. Oh. Si De Los Niños at saka si Atis. Middle at saka open. Pero yun.
Score
Ace.
10-9.
Change of lead. 10 serving 9. Second set. Kaya natin. Binigay sa oh! Ito. Was opposed by the setter. Lumipad. Mataw. 11 serving 9. Received by De Los Niños. Binigay kay Atis. And that
Ball
was
is the
inside.
score.
Service ni Atis. Ito. Ay, walang nag-follow up. Deadlock at 11 all. Na, Patrocinio. And complete block talaga.
Lado.
Parang no entry block. De Los Niños. Service ace by Atis. Saglit lang. 13 serving 11 na kaagad. At ayun pa. Free ball. Free ball. Tingnan natin anong play. Uy.
Good.
Patrocinio.
Good.
Ito, nakuha pa. Tingnan natin. Wow. Subalit nag-outside. 12 serving 13. Again, this is set number 2 of the elimination match between Barangay Tinago and Barangay Bagakay for bracket D. Ayun. Daming puntos na ni Patrocinio.
Sating-sating lang.
Deadlock at 13.
Sakswan.
Block again by Patrocinio. Atis. Okay na lang, pumasok. Na. Wow. This time, nalusutan. Deadlock again at 14 all. Ganda ng serve Patrocinio. Binigay sa... Wow, ito, tingnan natin. Hindi lang na-control. De Los Niños to serve for Barangay Tinago. One of the import. Wala ang tatangkad. Teng, inilig. Wow, tinulak na teng. Ito, free ball. Subalit. Ayun. 16 serving 14. Niños. Service error. Same with set number 1. Medyo close dito. Yung ngalan dun sa end game. Medyo dun natalo yung green team. Ito. Yun, nagkaksak sila sa harapan. Receive. Ito. Free ball. Masok. Bagakay called for their first time out. Okay, oh. Wow, good, no? Kaya highlight din natin yun, no? Yung libero. Nag-receive ng bola, nag-set ng bola, miski nakaupo. And, yun, diretso. Free ball. Oh, hindi pala free ball yun, nakala ko. Yan natin. Push. Ito. Medyo tagalang rally. Wow. Yan natin. Ouch! Want to play ng setter. Ito. Yan. Ganda ng set. Oh, hindi na nakabutan.
Ako'y siguro ni
Then, sinulak lang.
Atis. Good.
Wow, nag-overset.
Jason.
Parang set number 1. Ganito rin nangyari kanina. So, after that service error, pumuntos ang green. So, it's now 16, serving 20. Parang yung set 1 kanina. So, nag-over receive. Nagay sa middle. Yan. So, humahabol.
Pero bata ay.
Receive ni Atis. Binigay kay Atis. Subalit outside. Yan. So, dalawa na lang. It's 18, serving 20.
Bata pa na.
Then, eto.
Atis.
Uy! Hindi nakuha.
Benayra.
Was inside. O number 17 ng Bagakay. Dalawa lang. 19 serving 21.
Yates.
Yan. So, Again, this is a game between paano ba yun? Between young, between experience, between youth and experience. 22. Siyo, 8. And again, no entry for the Los Niños. Oh, bumasok. May halong buenas. So it's 20 serving 23. Okay, sa middle and okay, so match point for Barangay Tinago with Ate serving. Ano na reception? Ito. Parang set 1. Ganito rin nangyari kanina. 21, 24. Yan natin. Listen, lulak. Yan. Tapos ang laro. The same. Sa set 1, 21-25.